Okay, so today we're looking at how to calculate compound interest in Excel. So here's our formula, P times 1 plus R to the power T. So I laid out each item in that equation. So principal, let's say we're going to put $5,000 into the bank. Our interest rate is 5%, and we're going to input the time in years that we want to look at. So let's assume we want to see what that's going to be worth in 20 years' time. So here's where we input our formula. So we want it to be equals P times 1 plus our interest rate of 5%, close brackets, and add the exponent, which is the time in years. And so as you can see, that $5,000 would be worth $13,266 at the end of 20 years. Now you can adjust each one of the variables in that to see what the impact would be on the future value of that principal. Okay, so have a look at what if we have more frequent compounding. So let's put our principal in there, assuming $5,000 again. Input the interest rate. Here is the n, which is the number of times compounded per year. So if we're compounding monthly, we would put 12. And let's go for a 20-year time frame. We're going to see what that 5,000 is going to be worth in 20 years. So equals, here we put our formula of 5,000 times, open brackets, 1 plus R divided by N. So that's our interest rate divided by the number of times compounded per year. Close the brackets and add our exponent, which is N times T. So that's the number of times compounded again, times the time frame we're looking at in years, which is 20 years in this case. Close the bracket, and that gives us 13,563. And again, from there you can change any of these variables to see what impact it would have on your future value. And that's all there is to it. Any comments or questions, leave them below. Thanks a lot for watching.